In Pakistan, hundreds of tribesmen marched through the town of Khalane to protest against a set of colonial-era laws. The February 13th demonstration was led by local religious and political leaders who want the government to scrap the 1901 Frontier Crimes Regulations. Under the set of laws, people living in the federally administered tribal areas do not enjoy the same legal protections as other citizens. Police can arrest the relatives of a person convicted of a crime, and in some cases, there is no right to appeal convictions or sentences. The protesters warned they would march to the federal capital, Islamabad, next month if the laws are not abolished. In order to enjoy the same constitutional rights as other Pakistanis, the protesters want the tribal areas to be recognized as a province or merged with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province.